just in Japan on a bike, and I'm at Doushi, that's Michi no Eki Doushi, that's the Doushi Road Station in Yamanashi Prefecture, get that right. Just a quick look at the bikes here. It's Saturday in August, the last Saturday in August, very busy, very hot by the way, really, really hot. Let's have a look at some of the bikes. I won't say too much, you can judge for yourself. Saw a couple of interesting ones when I was walking around. It's a Hayabusa, right? One. Should have worn my sunglasses to look at this. It's really reflecting the sunlight. Really do get every kind of bike. Scooters, mopeds, all kinds of sports bikes, trail bikes. And this caught my eye, very fun and very interesting, this tiny little Yamaha YSR, gosh, look at this. So it's obviously a two-stroke, I would say, and it's got a kickstart on there. It's really small. It's almost like a child's bike. It won't be a child's bike, of course, because it's a road bike. It's on the road. Hasn't come too far. Probably a lot of fun, especially around the tight mountain twisties, no doubt. This is the kind of thing you do see in Japan. What's this next to it? I didn't see that. What's that then? Looks like an old two-stroke, doesn't it? Very small exhaust pipe on that, so yeah, that'll be a little two-stroke with the kickstart, so that's an older one as well. Two-strokes are long since outlawed for new bike sales. You can, it wasn't retroactive, so you can still buy and ride old two-strokes in Japan. Royal Enfield here. I would say that is new retro, not original retro. It's new retro, that, isn't it? Which means it's made in India. You should be able to see me in the reflection on the tank. Very shiny, keeps that one in good condition, doesn't he? Oh, look at mine. Africa Twin, that's the new Africa Twin. So it looks more complicated than the old ones. I don't know that you'd make any quick repairs on that bike if you're out in the desert or in the middle of the jungle or whatever. Going all the time here. Really worth the visit if you are anywhere in the area. Got overspill parking over there. but I have to say not as busy as some trips I've made out here. Not as busy. I've been here when it's been a lot busier, and they've been queuing down that road there. I've really seen such a thing. So anyway, I'll tag the location on this video so you can have a look for yourselves. There's little cross cubs. I've mentioned those before. Very interesting, very somewhat amusing, and with the typical strapped on plastic box on the back. Very typical for the guys that ride these. It's a big one. Is that a Honda? Yeah. Big Honda touring bike. Massive. Too big really to enjoy in this part of the world. Certainly riding around little tight mountain roads. Well, he can't fit all his stuff in the top box there, and he doesn't need to worry about it because nobody's going to steal it. That's a great thing about Japan. It's really rare that anyone, especially when you come out to places like this. Having said that, back in the old country it was pretty rare that fellow bikers would nick your stuff. This one's interesting. Is that a Ducati, isn't it? Yeah, Ducati. Twin pipes on that side. Monster, it says on it. That must be a Ducati Monster then. So a quicker one from me today. And my bike. The next video I'm going to upload after this one. There's my bike there, the V-Strom. Having great fun on it. It's the first time I've been out for a long ride for leisure. I've been out on it before, but not a really long ride like today. And in the next video I shall tell you what happened to me on the way here. A little bit of a hairy moment around a sharp bend, and rather unnerving, to be honest. And I shall update you shortly. Catch you in the next video.